Thunderstorm was located near Detail 630 Zion, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago. Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m.
The bottom of the
Building. Include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Round Lake Beach, Zion, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Antioch, Lindenhurst, Beach Park, Gages Lake, Park City, Round Lake Park, Winthrop Harbor, Grandwood Park, Green Oaks, Wadsworth, Venetian Village, Third Lake, Old Mill Creek, and Russell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.